Hi guys, in this video we're going to discuss how to put the backtesting that we already did on your charts so you can check them and see the trades for yourself. So first of all, you need to install our trade tracker software. Now that already has a 7-day free use built into it. So just head to the link below to download and install the trade tracker software first, and then come back to this video where I'm going to show you how to put all our backtesting and our workspaces and everything that we did for you guys in your NinjaTrader. So with the RaySeries package, you guys received data, workspaces, and the backtesting as well. So first of all, we need to put all your data inside of your NinjaTrader. So for that, all you have to do is go to NinjaTrader 8 in your documents folder, open up DB, head to tick, and then copy the files that say tick from your download folder into this folder to grab all the tick data. Then head again to your Documents NinjaTrader 8 Templates folder. Inside of that folder, copy all the chart templates that we have put in there for you, as well as the indicator templates. Last but not least, head back to your NinjaTrader 8 folder inside of your Documents folder and copy the ETP folder inside of there. This contains all our backtesting that we did, so you can see it live. Then one last thing, you need to copy the workspace that we have built straight for you. We've got all the 4 ES contracts that we backtested. So you can grab those by copying and pasting the workspace inside of your workspaces folder. Okay, now that you've copied everything, you can close your NinjaTrader down if you already had it open. If not, open up your NinjaTrader. Then inside of your control center, go to Workspaces, then open the Ray Backtest workspace. Then you will see all those 4 charts populated with all the indicators and all the backtesting that we already did for you. Now grab one of the charts and head through the chart and you will see little lines drawn on them. Okay, and I'll explain those lines for you right now. The purple lines are the entry lines for longs and short. The red line is the stop, and the targets, target 1, target 2, and target 3 are in green. So when you see those, that means that a trade has taken place. The entry candle of the trade is where the lines begin, and the exit candle of the trade is where the lines end. So really, that's all that there is to it. So grab your backtesting, run through the backtesting, see the backtesting results by clicking the Show Statistics button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like its content, then please hit the like and subscribe buttons on YouTube, share it to your social media, follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome rest of your day until then.